Section 6.5, American units to metric units and vice versa. In this video, we will focus on how to convert units of length, mass, volume, and speed between the American system of units and the metric system of units. We often need to convert from American system of units to the metric system of units or vice versa. Imagine traveling to a European country using the metric system. That will be our focus in this section. Converting units of length. 1 meter is slightly longer than 1 yard. Indeed, 1 meter approximately equals 1.0936 yards. If we divide both sides of this equation by 1.0936, then 0.9144 meters approximately equals 1 yard. Further conversions can be made. For example, to change meters to feet, we make the following conversions. 1 meter approximately equals 1 meter times 1 yard over 0.9144 meters times 3 feet over 1 yard. This way, the meter units and the yard units cancel, and we're left with 1 times 1 times 3 over 0.9144 times 1 feet, which simplifies to approximately 3.2808 feet. Table 6.5 shows some of the most common conversions between American units of length and metric units of length. Example 1. A car speedometer shows that a family has currently traveled 154 miles en route to their vacation destination. Convert this distance to kilometers. So 1 mile approximately equals 1.6093 kilometers, according to table 6.5. So we'll multiply this by 154 miles. This way our mile units cancel, and we're left with 154 times 1.6093 over 1 kilometers, which simplifies to approximately 247.8. Hence, 154 miles is approximately 247.8 kilometers. Alternate solution. Note that this would work equally well if we chose 1 kilometer approximately equals 0.6214 miles from table 6.5. Then we would multiply 154 miles times 1 kilometer over 0.6214 miles. The mile units will cancel, and we'll be left with 154 times 1 over 0.6214 kilometers, which approximates to 247.8 kilometers. Converting units of weight and mass. It is known that 1 kilogram approximately equals 2.2 pounds. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2.2, we get 0.454 kilograms approximately equals 1 pound. A summary of the more common conversion factors regarding mass and weight are given in table 6.6. Example 2. Change 2.3 kilograms to ounces. Solution. 1 kilogram weighs 2.2 pounds and there are 16 ounces in a pound. So 2.3 kilograms approximately equals 2.3 kilograms times 2.2 pounds over 1 kilogram times 16 ounces over 1 pound. This way the kilograms and pound units cancel, and we're left with 2.3 times 2.2 times 16 over 1 times 1 ounces, which approximately equals 80.96 ounces. Hence 2.3 kilograms weighs 80.96 ounces. Alternate solution. Another approach uses the fact that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams and 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. Hence we have that 2.3 kilograms approximately equals 2.3 kilograms times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram times 1 ounce over 28.35 grams. This way the kilogram and gram units cancel, and we're left with 2.3 times 1,000 times 1 over 1 times 28.35 ounces, which approximately equals 81.13 ounces. Round off error. Why the discrepancy in answers? This difference in approximations is due to something called round-off error. Indeed, in the first calculation, we used a conversion factor that is rounded to the nearest tenth, i.e. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. If we use a more accurate conversion factor to change kilograms to pounds, namely 1 kilogram approximately equals 2.2046 pounds, we get the following result. 2.3 kilograms approximately equals 81.13 ounces. Note that this result is in better agreement with the second result above. Important observation. To obtain better approximations, you need to use a conversion factor that is more accurate. Anytime you feel you need more accuracy, you might try an online conversion utility such as the one at the following website. Converting units of volume. It is known that 1 quart approximately equals 0.946 liters. Dividing both sides of this equation by 0.946, 1 liter approximately equals 1.06 quarts. Again, these conversion factors for volume have been well worked out by scientists. The more common conversion factors for volume are shown in table 6.7. Example 3. Change 2.5 deciliters to gallons. Solution. Recall that 1 deciliter equals 10 liters and 1 liter equals 0.264 gallons. So 2.5 deciliters approximately equals 2.5 deciliters times 10 liters over 1 deciliter times 0.264 gallons over 1 liter. This way the deciliters and liter units cancel, and we're left with 2.5 times 10 times 0.264 over 1 times 1 gallons, which approximately equals 6.6 gallons. Hence 2.5 decaliters is approximately equal to 6.6 gallons. Converting units of speed. Modern speedometers often show a car's speed in both miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Example 4. A car speedometer is showing it's speeding along at 60 kilometers per hour. How fast is it traveling in miles per hour? Round your answer to the nearest mile per hour. Solution. From table 6.5, 1 kilometer approximately equals 0.6214 miles. So 60 kilometers per hour is approximately equals 60 kilometers per hour times 0.6214 miles over 1 kilometer. With this multiplication, the kilometer units cancel and we're left with 60 times 0.6214 over 1 miles per hour, which simplifies to 37.284 miles per hour. To round to the nearest miles per hour, identify the rounding in test digits. Because the test digit is less than 5, leave the rounding digit alone and truncate. Thus, to the nearest mile per hour, the speed is approximately 37 miles per hour.